Hey everybody, showing you my green bean and cucumber setup here. I've got these cattle panels arched over to fence post on either side. I don't know if you can see or not. How weedy it is in here again, but it's okay. The garden's still doing pretty good. I just don't have enough time to get out here, and everything's too big to really get around to either till it, or it's too late to hoe it now. I do pull some weeds up now and then, but as I go, right there's a cucumber I missed. Already been through and got everything once, but I missed a few, looks like. Now this is a big one. I missed it. When they get that big, they're just not very good, so I just throw them down here. Use them as compost. You can see there's several here. Couple more. I don't know how I missed all these earlier. This one's stuck in there kind of. It's grew against the post, and look at that. Funny looking one. Another one just like it. Still be good though. I don't know. Take it in. It ain't gonna hurt anything see if they're any good. But you step back here, we can get a better look at this. It's really done well. I planted cucumbers on one side, on half of one side, and green beans on the other half of this side, and then all green beans on down here on this side. And they've done good. I hadn't got any green beans yet. I planted them later. I can't remember the date, but you can see them here. They're about ready to pick. But it's got quite a few on it. There's the cucumbers. They're about done for. It's funny because you can leave and come back and I always see more. See, they're starting to where they're not looking very good though. This is August the 3rd, and they've been putting out for a couple of months now. There's another funny looking one. So it's about time for them to be gone. There's a little bug. You can see it. Where'd that thing go? There it is. That little thing. No. Look at that bug. Come out and zoom in on it. Well, hopefully they don't start eating everything up. So far they haven't. There's a little cucumber. It probably may not look very little on here, but it is. Up here's one. See, they're growing overhead pretty good. And they come over. A long way. Up top there's a little one. Planted some pickling cucumbers and grade 8s, I think is what they're called. But, there's my okra. It's doing pretty good. Down there's the popcorn. It's done okay, I guess. The first time. See the okra there, how big it got. Here's my thud. It's almost as big as my foot. Way too big to eat. My tomatoes, it looks like more weeds, but there's still a lot of tomatoes on there. They're doing good. There's a red one, but my cages have fell over. These cages are just not nearly enough to hold them. See the cage laying there? I need to build one out of the cattle panels like I've seen on YouTube. I think Joe Gardner is his name. There's more green beans on just on the 16-foot cattle panels. Let's see another tomato that I can get also. Or two. See something bit off of that. I don't know what that is. I don't like keeping them like that, but I don't know if it really hurts anything. That one's busted open. Got a little dark spot on it, but it's probably okay. There's some more cucumbers. A couple more. Weedy. I'm kind of ashamed to show this, but it is what it is. Here's my bell pepper plants. They've actually done good, but they're small plants, but they're getting some good peppers off of them. Another tomato plant, more tomato plants. All that down through there you see is tomato plants. There's my other popcorn. It's strawberry popcorn, it's called. If you look here, these gourd vines are going way out, probably 20-foot radius, probably 40 foot from one end to the other. I never thought they'd get this big, but they're doing good if I can find a couple of them to show you. Hard to see in there. Right there's one. Couple. There's kind of small ones. Cute. See one right there. Starting. Never grew gourds before. They're the kind you make birdhouses out of. I'm not sure what else you can do with them. But it's been interesting growing them. They take a lot of room though. There's a couple. That's pretty big. That's probably 10 inches tall or something. There's a good size one. It's got a place in it though. I guess it'll be okay. A couple more. all through there. See them? You can't see them, but you can, for the weeds, but you can see how long the vines come out. This is a good, I don't know, 15 feet from where I planted them. There's a big one. Kind of funny looking. Some of them prettier than other ones, I think. See a big one right in there. Hard to see for the leaves with this phone. Here's what I got today out of the garden. They're probably, I don't know. Here's a small pepper. Not very big. There's probably £20 worth of stuff maybe there. Here's a couple of the ghost peppers that I picked today. Kind of ripe, I guess. Put them right in there.